Harrison, you want to come help us do a video? Look at all these bags. You want to help us take all the stuff out of the bags, Harrison?
Yeah.
Look at all these things. Is this fun? Harrison, does this look fun?
Yeah.
Look it, we went to the outlets in Bend, Oregon.
Impromptu.
And we got 3 bags of stuff. Are you saying hi?
Yep. Hi.
Oh, don't touch the glass though. It's kind of spendy. Whoa! Okay, so Bend outlets, Columbia outlet had 70% off of sale prices. Nike had extra 20% off of all sneakers. Amazing deals on the Nike stuff. Really crazy prices on those, but got a ton of stuff from Columbia because the price points. Obviously winter is not here right now. Winter's coming. Can we show them some of these things, Harrison?
Yeah.
All right. So first, this is a titanium Columbia jacket. I got this from our friends actually because she would fit this one. She's a medium women's. Retails $550. Wait. And this is $300, and we got it for $90. Like super nice quality.
Oh,
Thanks, brah. So this is the first jacket, $550 retail, and we got it for $90. Pretty good deal. And that's kind of like in line with what we're doing. We've got another big, thick, heavy jacket, $500 retail. Price they had it in the store was $319, and I think they give us an extra 20. What?
I'll be right back.
You're gonna be right back? Where are you going?
I'm going outside.
Okay, we'll see you in a minute.
I'll be right back.
Okay, we'll see you in a second.
what are you doing, crazy man?
This.
You want to
Oh,
put it
you
right
have a
there?
shopping cart? Oh, because we're shopping?
Because we're shopping?
Oh.
Whoa! This one was $320, and we got it for $90. What was the other one then? The other one wasn't $90. The other one was...
Yeah, it was. This was 90. Because we went 2 different days, and
Yeah.
one day they gave us a $20 coupon.
That's right. $1,000 of jackets for only $180 so far for these two.
A vacuum.
Oh,
Are
thanks,
you gonna vacuum?
Harrison.
Thanks, dude.
Then we got some stuff for baby Madeline.
Yes.
So
This
full
is dope.
snowsuit This is originally $120.
So 1963 for that. Regularly,
120.
yeah, regularly $120. So $100 off retail. That's crazy.
Yeah.
And then wife got a jacket. So if you didn't know, Columbia actually owns Mountain Hardwear, and so she got a Mountain Hardwear jacket. It's really nice quality. It says that the price was $220.
That's the clearance price.
Yeah, that's a clearance price. I don't know what the actual retail was. The final price on this one was $61.70. So $61 instead of $220 sale price on this Mountain Hardwear jacket. It's really thick, really heavy duty jacket. Harrison, what is this?
These are boots.
You see these? These are for Maddie.
Baby Maddie boots.
$10.
Yeah.
They're $35 list price, but they were more expensive than that. And they were $10 with little baby Sorrel boots. Did you see your new jacket, Harrison? This is going to be Harrison's new
Look at
jacket.
Harrison's new jacket.
Retail is $95 on this jacket.
And it's a really nice snow jacket. Like really well insulated.
$15 for a $95 jacket for wintertime. Really dope price point on this. What's next? What's next? What is this, Harrison?
That's for not this
this is
snowshoe
so
year,
cute.
but the next snowshoe year.
For Maddie for next year?
Yeah.
For 2 years?
2 years from now.
You're so smart. Regularly $95, and then it was $62. So this was like $15-ish
That was the $15
as well. Yeah, so that's a crazy price point. You gonna put this in here for Maddie? Can you pull it out? Ta-da! Can I get it? Can you have it, Jack? Thank you. This is a Mountain Hardwear jacket also, and this was probably the most expensive, one of the most expensive jackets we've seen.
Another one. It has
Thanks.
2 layers though. It's
Yeah.
like 2 coats in one.
Yeah, there's actually a second jacket inside here. So it's like 2 detachable layers. And this one retailed at $450, but the sale price was $360. So then it was 70% off of $360. This one was $104 on sale from $450. Not the best steel, but definitely a nice one and really high quality with the Mountain Hardwear. And I like it. And I might be giving this one to my brother because it's a little bit snug on myself. I thought it was gonna fit as a large, but sometimes the sizing is really crazy, so this one didn't fit.
Orange, we need orange.
Right here, right here.
Thanks, buddy.
Whoa, thanks, dude. Isn't this a fun orange jacket?
Say go Beefs.
Go beef.
So retail on this one is actually $200, and it was on sale for $170, and then they clearance it at $150. Holy crap! So this is like almost $45. $200 jacket for $45, and a really nice down kind of puffy jacket, perfect for wintertime. Lightweight when it's cold and not rainy, or just obviously as something as a layer. Vacuuming again.
Good job, buddy.
You have 2 vacuums if you didn't catch that. All right, so that is another jacket. What else? We got so much stuff from Columbia, it's ridiculous. What do you get here?
Oh, it's a workout shirt from Prana.
I got a top
No.
Bra.
No. You don't know how
Thing.
this works.
I don't know how those things work.
You messed it up though.
Prana is owned by Columbia as well, if you guys didn't know that. I don't know how it
How
works.
did you do that?
I
Why
don't
did you
know.
mess that up?
It's a transformer. How much is it? It was $70. Oh, $16. Hey, be careful, buddy. You almost hit Chloe.
No.
What?
No.
Are you trying to go to timeout?
No. No.
Sis.
No.
Harrison, are you saying no?
No. 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 No.
Go to timeout.
No.
Go to timeout. Why are you laughing?
No. No. No.
No. You could be a nice boy?
Oh, no.
You don't want to be a nice boy?
No.
You're going to be good?
No.
Wait there till I tell you, Harrison.
Okay. So, rain jacket from Columbia retails for $175, clearance $93, and then additional 70% off of that.
Are you going to be good?
Yeah.
Okay, come on out.
Okay.
I don't even see it on here. High five!
Or did we get this the first day?
I'm good.
Thanks for being good, buddy.
Good job. Thank you for being good.
What was the price of it? 93?
Yeah.
175 retail. This is the Columbia Out Dry. I don't think they charge us for this one. I don't see a price tag on it. It was 190. It was 90 something dollars, so it would have been like 30 bucks.
And then the last two things we got for Harrison for his snacks. And these weren't on clearance or anything, but we thought it was nice. It's a built-in lunchbox with a little snap here, and then it does a zipper. And there's little compartments in here.
Where your snacks are gonna go, Harrison?
So when we're on the go, we're really trying to have Harrison eat better snacks. So we thought if we have a cooler system, he can eat healthier stuff.
Yeah.
All right, and then this little guy went to Nike Outlet.
So they have 20% off of all sneakers in the store, and a lot of these were insanely priced. Can you hand Dad one?
Can you hand Daddy those ones?
These are penny twos. Can you hand Dad one, please?
Yeah.
These
like
are
$20.
These are the penny twos, and these ones were $35 and $7 off, so they're 28 bucks.
$28.
$28 for penny twos, dude. I had to buy them at that price point.
That's a big box,
Harrison, bring Dad one of those ones too.
Whoa, those are some orange shoes, man.
Yeah.
I actually really like those.
These ones are orange too, because
the zipper
I'm
on
feeling
the
the
back.
orange, the Air Force One mids. $40 and then $8 off, so these were 32 bucks for these. And I figure I can customize these a little bit if I want to, but orange, white sole, I like what they saw. For $32, I couldn't really go wrong. Retail's like 160.
Last pair.
Oh yeah, let's see it.
Oh yeah,
There's
like
actually
these
one more.
boots.
So these are the Telaria mid Flyknits. $40. Retail on the box is $200, and I got these for $32 as well. Real good price. You want to see your shoe?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then I'll show Harrison his
We
shoe.
got Harrison.
This is Harrison's shoe. This is the Flex Experience RN5 with the free midsoles on the bottom for the little guys. Harrison, do you like these shoes?
Yeah.
And you run real fast and you ride bikes super fast in these.
Here you go.
Thanks,
Yeah,
man.
Sure.
Free. Hey, can you hand me that one right there too? That other orange one right there?
Yeah, there you go.
And so then this is the, thanks dude. This is the Vandal, and this is a Doc Brown from Back to the Future colorway.
This is my tractor.
I've been waiting for this one. You want to show them your tractor?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
And this is Harrison's
And a
tractor. Very cool tractor. It actually revs up and goes pretty far. Harrison, can you get the other one box in here? There's one more box.
One more box.
Okay. We go.
It's
in
inside the box.
orange bag. Can you pull it out?
Yeah.
So the total price was $152 for 5
great
pairs.
helper.
So they're on average 30. You got it. On average, $30 a pair for 5 pairs. I mean, the prices were, like I said, really crazy good. And these are a pair of the Blazers. To show you guys that the off-white Blazers aren't the only ones that I'm gonna own now. These were $29.99, $6 off, 24 bucks. And this is like a nappy suede upper. It's kind of like a rose, like sort of pinkish rose color. And I'm gonna customize these because it's such a simple blocking, but I feel like I can make this pop a ton more if I color in some of the upper. So these ones were 24 bucks. And this is Harrison's blue garbage can. Is it recycle or garbage? Recycle can.
Good job.
And the lid fell off, but we'll find the lid another day, huh?
Yeah.
Harrison, that's all that stuff. We got a lot of stuff. Look at this big mess. We did get this garbage truck for Harrison too, and it was
At Goodwill.
$1.99 at Goodwill. Harrison, do you love this garbage truck?
Yeah.
It was pretty cool, huh? This is a great find from Mom. Mom found this and a Thomas the Train for $1 each at Goodwill because we went to Goodwill in Bend first, and then that's actually what sparked us to go check out the outlet. And then we ended up with all of this, not really knowing that it was going to be all crazy. Yeah, you want to show them your big garbage truck? Of course. Cool. Look, this is Harrison's big garbage truck. It makes a lot of noise, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one of them. He has a lot of garbage trucks, though.
And one more garbage.
And one
Last thing to show. Wow, look at this garbage truck. This is another big garbage truck that he has. This is a front loader. And it goes up and it loads the big garbage cans in the front instead of the little ones. And that is all we have. Hey,
Yeah.
can you tell them thank
Say
you for
bye-bye.
watching?
Bye. Oh, wait.
What? What?
Yeah, TV.
Oh, and a TV.
You want to show them the iPad?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the Amazon? Do you like this one?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. See you guys
Bye.
later.
See